Hey there friends, welcome back to another fabulous day of mod tech. Today we are going to do the maximizing control version with the powder toy. This is kind of neat. It's going to be in the description of the YouTube video, but also if you're in my classroom, it will be in your classwork. When you visit the link, the first thing you need to do is go down and find it. It'll be in the powder section. When you get to powder, it'll be called Powder Day 2. There will be a video, which is what you're watching and I'm recording at the moment, and below it is the link to get to my powder toy website. When you get to the powder toy website, it is called Lesson 2, Maximizing Control. There are simply 4 videos that you need to watch and complete as you explore and push the limits on the cool things that you can do with the powder toy. So once again, friends, if you have a blast while you're doing this, make sure you hit that thumbs up on the videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button and click that notifications bell so you can be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Have a great day.